Kani rega Dudashan Meghalaya beri priang sobhai pi baro shaka tukubam taka janmit shaban page ki kubor ki babnia ngini pe chai kimat kongsan. Yo ji itu kaktin KHASI bakaktin garo kom kaktin sorkar hadin san pusau sinem bala yo ya kejila lejong kani kasin jam kanong kabansa kenau ong KHASI Author Society. Penpau jing Sokia ke NEHU ta halor ke jing bamwan mi UBC sya school ba NEHU ke jing keduk pisa ke school ba ke jing Islam ya kibin. Yesno akti ke MHCA manishin lenta ha ke jing khat sange trikam ki pharmacy habarok koi keri ha ka aku trek ujumang man persya ya ke jing di dawai online dan kinu kindon mantela ka. But kini bnia ke jela halor ke jing pentre ya ke National Games ahaja akunyo an pelong biang ya ke jinglang banyo yang jingmut kam ha shushu. Mentanginya pai syaki kubor na keleng ke jela. KHASI Author Society kala priang sobha ya ke jing menjor jong ulat ke jela ya ke an MEGHALAYA Official Languages Ordinance arja apun rio ban ai jing itho ya kaktin KHASI bat kaktin garo kum kaktin sarkar. U President ka KAS u Dr. DRL Nonglaj ula ong bakani kan long kasin jam ka bansa kan mau hadin san pusau snem balayo ya ke jela lejong. Ula ong bakani kala urlong hadin baka KAS kala dawa mentala bun teligis nem bat penlong ru ya ke jing ki da ka jing lap pat ba haus nem baladem. Ula benrap baka KAS kan yarap ya ka sarkar halor kumno banthaw ya ki kindon ban pentrekam ya ki nikiktin.
Ngidon ni ka jing sko diaw khandiat aba ka ni ka assembly session la ni ka dorbat telang baladap yang sor jong ka dorbat thawan ki jela mchiman ra e kamat andrei kumbakalong menta ki babun ki nomi khmat ki aiman sem nakling sarkar ro kasi skori ke jing dawa ke jongi bat khamtam ni das ngungu ye kini kisang ki beper ki balon kekti kaman kekti kadiang ka jongi habangi penlong ki jing pensai pai ba namar jing pensai pai ba ngi pensai ke sarkar ngi pensai ro ki para nong subsnong seng trimon sobha ki bangala ong mentan isnad jongi baro nyauteli ki pai ba wat yiki nong mi khmatro baro ki bomsim lakdau ti persya ye kene ke jing ki ke jongi government ba kita baro ki ai ye ke jing trelang ke ka jing jom tolong ke jing jom jong ke judgment real KHASI ke judgment real neutral.
U Chairman ke State Planning Board u AT Mondal ula penlong ya ke jingalang ban khmi bnia halor ke jingpen kre ya ke National Games balai pokandai ha ke jela MEGHALAYA da ka baong ba ke jingpen kre kala nang ya chakmat. Ha ke jingalang ba laya mirjingmut halor kumno ban penbet ya ke rukom penyai kali hanong ba Shillong bar ke jingpen kre ya ke madan yele akai. Ya ke jingalang lakmi lenti ba ansa penlong biang sashisin ha kini kisingi ki bansawan bat kabot kala letru ban jurep halor ke jingpen kre ya ke madan bathumu ban penlong ya ki jingle akai.
We have preparedness of national games which is supposed to be held next year, and we discussed. Our meeting was inconclusive because there is a central team from the sports department has come. They are also having a meeting in 3. We are again sitting back. So far so good. We discussed about the venues, how many games will be conducted in MEGHALAYA, and what are the infrastructure and how we are approaching, including the preparedness on the part of the participants, on the accommodation of various discipline athletics and athletes, and also the officials who will be coming and visiting. They have given a conclusive details of the preparedness, but we told them that we need to again sit them. We'll be visiting the sites also. This is the thing today we have discussed.
Ka Indian Oil Corporation kala pentikna iki pajba ba ka jingpen poi ya ka umpnyang ba ka tendong LPG ha Meghalaya ka long ka babyang bat kamdon kanu ka jingthun haba penpau halor kani kamat u Amar Jyoti Bordoloi ubade u Chief General Manager ka IOC ula ong ba kattu katni na ki jingdon kam ha ka than lala ban pendap ling ba ki sautali ki jaka penmi umpnyang ki badon hapo ka than chete lamingi ula pentip ru bala khmi lenti ba ansala ban ple thamai biang ya ka jaka penmi tendong LPG ha ubnai naitung lani lailar khanang bakan la ban penbiang ya ka jaka bo gas bat pensuk ya ka rukom sam bat penpoi shaki pajba ha ka leng ka jela ha ka por ka babiang.
Even so far, in the northeast we are in a much better position, and the current production level in the refineries of northeast, which are mostly located in Assam, is about 1400 to 1500 metric ton, whereas our entire demand of the northeast is around 2700 metric ton per month. So we are for that particular area, almost 60% of our requirement is being fed by our local resource itself. Similarly, we have a supply chain where about 2200 LPG bullets are used in bringing product from supply sources like Haldia, which is the import location, and also some inland location like Baka and Durgapur in Bihar and West Bengal. So that supply chain is also continuously coming, and if we really look at
Ka North Eastern Hill University Teachers Association lani ka NEHU ta mentakasni kala penpau ya ka jing sokhya ka bajur halor ka jinglong jingman hapo ka skul ba u president ka NEHU ta uba lakhon kama ula kno ba ka jing pep trai bala selam jong u vice chancellor kala kta ya ka rukom trai kam jong ka NEHU ula penpau ru halor ki mat bakong san ki bakun thop ya ka jing pempat penskem ya ki no hikai ki bala thong na du usnam arhajar arphulai ula penpau ru halor ki jing e ki bayadei bat ka pisa pilan jong ka skul ba ka jing Islam ya kibil kajing bamdon ki nong yalam bat benrap ru bakum ki baya don benta bat ka skul ba ki don kajing khuslai na ka benta kalawe jong ka skul ba.
EC meetings are held, minutes are not circulated, so basically university doesn't even know what its executive council is doing to look into the welfare of the university, because it's almost like a secret document of the VC and the one who is preparing the minutes after the meeting is over. And that, because ideally whenever an EC meeting or an AC meeting or any statutory body meeting is there, minutes has to be circulated. Whether I attend or don't attend, minutes will come to me as a member. But none of our members in NEHU have any idea whatsoever that what has transpired in the meeting. And that has added more problem as far as the university is concerned, because the most important component in this is of course the appointment of the next VC of NEHU.
Kanihuta kalalej ban ujor sya kayeng kasuri Meghalaya High Court ban yakun persya halor ke jingthung ya ka Professor Brinda Basley Kharbi Rembai kum ka Chief Vigilance Officer Bashipor da ka bakno bakalong ka jingpen ken ya ki kendon ka Central Vigilance Commission na kalyang kayeng kasuri kala aipor ya ki bedon benta ban ai jubab hapo ka arteyo u President Kanihuta uba lakhan kuma ula keno ba ka jingthung kam kalong ka baklem ya kat kum ki kendon thungkam bat penpau ya ka jing sokhya halor ka jing bam long khoj long suba hakrukom trekam na kalyang ka association kala dawa na kayeng kashri bakan pensange ya kani ka jingthungkam.
She was just nominated, which is totally in violation of the CBC guidelines and the ministry's memorandum, which clearly says that you have to have 3 names senior enough who are not attached in the advertisement, in the tendering process, in the selection. They should not be involved. They should be free of all charges, if there is any, with their CV, with their biodata, and also an endorsement from the university has to go to the CBC Delhi through the ministry, which means NEHU have to nominate 3 members with their biodata to the CBC through the ministry. Once CBC goes through the applicants, and if they find that they are all qualified, they will approve. It will come back to the ministry will send back to NEHU. The university can pick up any of these 3 if the panel is approved. In this case, no panel, no invitation of application, just cherry picked somebody And that's why we said, and that's why we told our members also that please don't take up this kind of appointment.
Ka MEGHALAYA Healthcare Association kanya snok tilang haka jingkhod jangka All India Organization of Chemists and Druggists ban sange trekam haka arpotre ujemmang ban persha halor ka jingbambu kendon yaki dawai ki bedi online klem ka jingtho na ki doktor. Presiden ke MHCA uba David Karsati ulaong ba lasdang yakani karukom di dawai hakapor badon ka klam COVID khat khandai Henry kanang yai beteng hadu menta klem kinu ki kendon bante lakam ha kani kasni labatha ya baro ki pharmacy ha ka jila bakin khanglut Henry kilat jingsumar bakir ki kimdei ban shakta.
We have decided to call for a 5 days indefinite ban. But after lot of discussion, lot of deliberation, we have decided as a national core committee, we have decided to make one token, that is 1 day ban, that is on 20th of May. So this ban, closing of shop, it is all wholesale, retail, they will close all over India. And in Meghalaya we have a total numbers of wholesale and retail around 2,600. So through this medium, we want to request you to send the message to the nook and corner of Meghalaya, so that on 20th of May, as a token to protest the illegal sales of medicine without prescription, or renew the prescription in form of so many technology nowadays. This is being opposed by All India Chemists and Druggists. Then we, being the sister concern of the All India Chemists and Druggists, also we join hand to close on the 20th of May.
Kasang hinyaw trap National Youth Front menta kasngi kalabu da kajing ujor hakmat u Deputy Commissioner ke East Giant Hills man persha halor kajing temu penlong ya ka public hearing da ka Shri Cement Limited. Kasang kalamaham ba kajing penterikam ya kani ka project kan penjabo ya ka wa liteng kan pendu ya ki jaka rap bat kan keta ya ka rap karyang. Kalau penpau ru ya kajing sokya halor kajing bu jingma ya ka kwat ka kya jong ki pat ba na kajing pumpum bat kajing jabo bat kumju kan penjat ya ki klau ki betam bat wanra ya kajing klem ki lung ki wa. Presiden ke HNYF uba S Ringklem ula keno bakum kani ka project kan penmentoi tang ya ki company Henry kan wanra jingma pan ya ka mariang saudong saukun bat ya ka snong ka thau ha ka ba wat kinong song snong ru ki persha jor ya kani ka project kumta ka seng kala maham bakan shim da ki sin jam ki bakham ting e la da ka bor jong ka an kim shim kya halor kani kaman
Gudauman mesti miubo jingtho u persya ya gawina ka public hearing godau penman yang ka Shri Cement Limited haga tai ilaka nongkhle bat hajo ithau man gala snong rim wa lai tai dau I yoi ko hai tai ile poi su persya hai tai yoi dang bon ki nong rep dang bon ki do do wa ki wo dang bon kimrat kimreng gudang em gudang im hagatai ka thau kadu gamte la daga ni ka cement wo poi ga hitai ka company wan po ga hitai ndai kita do wa kinong rep da yap lut ki yi lam mande sim ga nuksa kam ga wa lokha pai na do em ki cement yo bi kam lu man po wa lokha kadu gamte ile persa jori hagani gudau man mestem ga wile kani company to itenyi wadau jia kam tu kadu gamte hagju opor ile ke cinggersan ya kita trisnong ki wada yo de yen persa ji ya ka tai ka cement kadu kamte I na galiang yo I dabo I jingtho wa haganu opor wa I uta umi hami bai bai la kita trisnong umi skmat I la support iki
Kasonum Raghuvanshi kabadan kti ha kaban penyap yala ujang ukurim. Kalayo jamin no hinin kesngi hadin bakala syakset kumbash pau benai AA hapo ka Along Shillong District Jail. Kayeng kasyari jong ka District Court hinin kesngi kala menjur ban ai jamin yaka da ka bapen pau bakadon ka jingduna ha ka rukambut yaki kendon an ban kem yaka. Kayeng kasyari kala ai jamin yaka sonam halor ki kendon bakamde ban muslia lani persang ban pendam yaki sakhi sabut. Kadai ban wan hajar mat kayeng bishar man baka syakon bat kamla ban mi na kayeng bishar ha kapor ba bishar klem dayo jingbin kadai ru ban siu ya kakuna ka basan pau hajar tingka haringkat bat armut kinong ba khli.
You have seen Sonam has been granted bail by the learned additional Deputy Commissioner Judicial of the East KHASI district. And at the same time, yesterday we have also filed the bail applications on behalf of the second accused, that's Raj Singh Kushwaha, alias Raj. So his bail hearing is fixed today post lunch. So I won't be able to divert or much of the information as of now because we are yet to argue the bail applications. And the remaining accused persons, the remaining accused persons also we have been approached. So we will be filing shortly for the bail application for the remaining persons.
तो उनका कहना यह है तो इसमें सोनम को जमानत मिल चुकी है ऐसा जमानत मिल गई इसका क्या कैसे जमानत मिल गई है तो बोले जमानत मिलने का कारण ये है तो सोनम को जिस दिन गिरफ्तार किया गया था गाजीपुर से तो उस टाइम पे पुलिस द्वारा जो उसमें सोनम को बताया नहीं गया था वो गिरफ्तार क्यों कर रहे हैं इस आधार पे जो है सोनम के वकील ने जो इसी पॉइंट पे जो है कोर्ट में बहस करी है तो भारतीय संविधान द्वारा जो है किसी व्यक्ति को जब गिरफ्तार करते हैं तो उसको बताना पड़ता है गिरफ्तार नहीं करा आप गिरफ्तार करते हैं बताना पड़ता है तो गिरफ्तार क्यों कर रहे हैं ये चीज़ उसमें चालान डायरी में लिखी हुई नहीं इसी आधार पर जो सोनम को जमानत मिली आज सोनम को जमानत कल मिली थी और आज सोनम रिहा हो जाएगी शाम को 6 बजे तक।
अच्छा ये किन शर्तों पर मिली है?
शर्त यही है तो सोनम को जिस दिन गिरफ्तार करा था गाजीपुर से उस टाइम बताया नहीं था उसको तो गिरफ्तार क्यों कर रहा है
कहाँ रहेगी वो क्या है?
वो शर्त उसकी ये है तो सोनम को जो है सोनम को शिलोंग में ही रहना पड़ेगा।
क्यों?
सोनम अभी शिलोंग छोड़ के जा सकते नहीं इसलिए
Ki pulit kariboy kila beteng biang ya ka jing talasi ki kali habanihan hadin bala sange katu ka nipor khnang banlap ya ki bapin khen an kum ki banyak kali habedeng ka jing buan bat ki bamdeng helmet habanya arshaka ya ka ni ka jing talasi bala penlong habanihat layalam da u DSP uba ban kerlang marwen u OC ka banihat police station u Rubel Ali bat u OC ka nongpo police station u Michael Marak haringkat ka jing etrelang bat ki bor pulit ki dekat kariboy youth federation lani ka RBYF Bani hat circle ru kila yasno akti lang ha ka ni ka jingya talasi la syamru babun na kinongnya kali kila sedang kensting biang hadin baki pulit kila sange ya ka jing talasi la yo ban bat yashibun ki banyak kali ha pedeng ka jing bu akyat ki bamdeng helmet bat ki bapen ken ya ki we ki kendon nya kali.
We have conducted awareness program on drunk and driving as there are lots of accident cases. Like before also I told you when I was in traffic that to prevent these accidents we have to do checkings. So as I have joined here as Barnihat OC, so the first initiative I took on traffic awareness. So today also we are conducting a awareness program on drunk and driving. So we have checked so many vehicles and we have got so many drunkards, especially these truck drivers. Because of this drunk and driving there are lots of accidents. In order to prevent the accidents, we have to conduct this drunk and driving. And I am very thankful to our Honorable SP who have given me this opportunity for checking. And I am very thankful for the RBYF President and all the guys of RBYF who have supported and participated in this awareness program. So in future also, we will conduct the same procedure and for these lawbreakers, we will be very strict.
Katana traffic police jong ka jiwai kala penlong ya ka jing talasi ya ki kali ha ka than West Giant Hills ya ka ni ka jing talasi la ya lam da USI UH sayo ubede u second in charge jong ka jiwai traffic branch ban khmi ya ki kali ki ba pen kala ya u silencer ki bata yit yong bat ki nongnya arshaka ki bamdeng helmet ha ka ni ka jing talasi ka balane kumba saus ni la yo ban kurup ya shibun ki tiar haringkat bat ka kuna kum ka jing pen stom halor ka jing pen ken ya ki kendon an bat ban pendo ya ke jing milin ban yat lat nakaan. Mentanginya pai Syaki Kubor nakalengkeri. Menteri Rang Badu Keri Narendra Modi ulap lipat ba ya ke Surak Ganga Expressway ke ba Sanspa kendai pusau kilometer ha Uttar Pradesh ke ba penyaso ya ke Mirut bat ka Prayagraj. Kani ke Surak kalong ban pensuk bat penkloy ya ke Lek Kawan ha ke Lengki Kharar Telik District bat ban kentiu ya ke Karkhana ke Rep Karyang kikam jengok kai bat kikam kijam. Haba ai jingkran ha kani ke jingelang Menteri Rang Badu Keri Narendra Modi ulaong bakawa Ganga ke baladon daki Pau Hajar Senem kala ai jingim ya kinong Uttar Pradesh kumjuk ru kani ka Surak kan sakentiu ya ka Roy Kapar ha kani ka jela.
अब आप कुछ ही घंटों में संगम भी पहुंच सकते हैं और काशी में बाबा के दर्शन करके भी वापस आ सकते हैं। साथियों, जैसे मां गंगा हजारों वर्षों से यूपी की और इस देश की जीवन रेखा रही है, वैसे ही आधुनिक प्रगति के इस दौर में उनके समीप से गुजरता ये एक्सप्रेसवे ये यूपी के विकास की नई लाइफलाइन बनेगा। मुझे खुशी है कि यूपी सरकार ने इस एक्सप्रेसवे का नाम मां गंगा के नाम पर रखा है। इसमें विकास का हमारा विजन भी झलकता है और हमारी विरासत के भी दर्शन होते हैं। मैं यूपी के करोड़ों लोगों को गंगा एक्सप्रेसवे की बधाई देता हूं।
West Bengal ka jing thep vote na ka benta ka wat ka baar bat bakhadu jong ka election sha ka yeng dor bar thau an la pelong menta ka sngi ha ka ba shispa sau pu artali ki constituency na ka leng ki hnyo tali ki district ki la leit ban thep vote ha ka ni ka benta ka jing poi jong ki nong thep vote ka long hnyo pu pra pon hndru pu pra na ka shispa tat hadu ka por lai bi jan miet ka ba pen pau ya ka jing shim benta ba khlan jong ki pai ba kat kum ka jing yo lum jing khen ka jing poi ki nong thep vote ha ka district Hooghly tat hadu ka por san ba jan miet kalong prapo pon nyo pu nyo na ka shispa ka ba pen pau ya ka jing poi bun jong ki nong thep vote ha ka leng ka jela mentangin ya pai Syaki Kubor ya le kai ka Eastern West KHASI Hills Inter-School Cricket Tournament ar apun rio ka ba ar kalakut no Hamadan Mission mai rang ha ka ba Shipau Teliki School kilawan manishim benta kalang tor Higher Secondary School kalayo ra ya ka nam la du ha ka under 14 jongki kinthe kat ba ka St Joseph Higher Secondary School kalayo ra ya ka nam la du ha ka under 15 jongki shenrang umentri katanat boarding uba met ba lingdo ulawan manishim benta kum ukongsan ha ka tekesngi bat ula kentu ya ki kena school bakin ya shim benta shitraham bar ula pentikna baun ai ya ka jingkershan ban kentiu ki kam yele kai hakathan
baro ki player ki bala ile kai hakani ke tournament ke benukong ke baar kalong baro ki school ki le shim benta ka jinjok kawan ke baar kamdei ke benukong kawan ke jingslur ban ya shim benta the courage to fight, the courage to participate. Kata kalong kabadan kama. Ni barobor na jui sakani ka dong gitan. Ba kani ka jing lerang ka penhiar ba yangi. Halor ka jing snow. But namar kani ka jing lerang ka du ka jing slur. Tandai kum ki kena haba ni kloy ya ka ban simenta banyak simenta banyak kun banyak fight Nak benta ke bapa, ngim dei bandon ke jing snow, ngim dei bandon ke jing le rai, hapren jungi. Dehen rai ikan mau bah, ki player ki batop hari India, ki player ki batop apa partai, ki dei ki player ki bawan nak ki thain no kendong berbuat, nak ki thain no kendong, ka contribution nak ki player ki bawan nak ki jaka ki bakam kendong berbuat. Kadai ke contribution ke ai maximum yang kata ke tim ke baju yang ke jengjok.
Mentapat ini pe ya ke jinglong jingman ke sun yang hakeleng ki benta jong ke jela. Hatura kajing kriat kalong 4 degree Celsius berkajing shit kalong 4 degree Celsius kajing sengam ke hau kalong nyup huwei nak shispa berkajing hap slap kalong 4.2 mm. Haba pai pat hanong ba shilong kajing kriat kalong 4 degree Celsius berkajing shit kalong 4 degree Celsius kajing sengam ke hau kalong nyup pusan nak shispa berkajing hap slap kalong 4.1 mm. Kat baha jawai pat kajing kriat kalong 4 degree Celsius berkajing shit kalong 4 degree Celsius kajing sengam ke hau kalong prapusau nak shispa berkajing hap slap kalong 1.2 mm. Kasung benengkan dum lo bat kalaru bandon kajing hap slap haki bubun ki jaka hatura shilong bat jawai. Syaban poi syaka bakut jong ketuk kubor ngene pe biasa sin yakimat pokongsan. Yo jing itu kaktin KHASI bat kaktin garo kum kaktin sarkar hadin san pusau senen belayo jela lejong kani kasin jam kan long kebansa kan mau ong KHASI Author Society. Penpau jing Sofia ke NEHU ta halor ke jing bomwan mi UBC she school ba NEHU ke jing kudu pisa ke school ba bat ke jing Islam yakibin. Isno akti ke MHCE benishin bentang haka jing khot sange trekam ki pharmacy habaro ke wegeri haka apo trek ujimang ban persya ya ke jing di dawai online lam kino klinik kendon ban telakau. But kami ibnya ke jela halor ke jing penkre ya ke National Games ahaja akuhnyo an penlang biang ya ke jingilang banyo ya merjing mut khamba shushu. Tipalok katun la poi syar bakut jong katuk kubor jing minta ke jamit hadu mangindai syambiamat pila syai kasi kublai pibaro.